Hello everybody. In this video, we will just discuss a if statement in Python. Okay. So what is use of if statement in Python is, see, if you want to execute a particular line of code whenever specific condition is true. What I said, if you want to execute a particular line of code whenever specific condition is true, at that time we can use if control statement in Python. Okay. Now before instead of going in theory of this particular statement, always it is better to discuss this particular point with the help of program. Okay, now here suppose in the program I want to define two variable. Okay, so if I want to define variable, then how to define variable? We can define variable in this way. Okay, so here I am defining one variable n1, and I have assigned value for that as 10, and for n2 I just assign value as 20. Okay, now here after defining these two variable in program we can use. Okay, so how to use if? You have to write if keyword, and then in front of that we have to write a condition. Okay, now let us write condition like this: n1 less than n2, and then you have to give colon. So if in Python, if you want to use if control statement, then you can use this if control statement in this way: initially if keyword, and then here you have to write condition, and then condition must get followed by colon. Okay, so this is how we can write if statement in Python. Okay, now if this condition is true, if n1 is less than n2, then suppose I want to display message like n1 is smaller than n2. Okay, if this is the case, then in the body of this if, here I have to write print. Okay, and through print we can display message like smaller n2. Okay, and then double inverted code complete, and main bracket just close. Okay, now see, if you concentrate here on this print, where I have written this print, I just leave some space here in between. Okay, and then I'm mentioning this print statement. Okay, if I'm using if in some other programming languages like C or C++ or Java, then generally here we need to give a square curly bracket like this. Okay, but in Python no need to use curly bracket. Okay, so if you are not using curly bracket, then how actually Python interpreter is came to know that this statement you want to write within the body of if? Python state interpreter will understand this from this particular space. Okay, now see, it's not the case like you have to leave this much of space. Okay, here if you write this print statement at this point also, then see, this if we are starting at this point, and then next statement I am just starting from this point. If this is the case, then during execution of this particular statement, Python interpreter will came to know that user want to write this print statement in the body of this if. Okay, so this is what is called as indentation in Python. Okay, so instead of leaving one space, always it is better to use tab. Okay, so its meaning is what? This statement is now within the body of if. Okay, now suppose I want to write one more statement. Okay, like this: print, and I want to print suppose both and numbers. Now see, what is the difference between this print and this print is, this print is in the body of this if, but this second print is not in the body of this if. Okay, because see where I have written this p of print exactly below this if. Now its meaning is what? Both if and print are having same indentation level. Its meaning is this second print is not in the body of this if. But before writing this print, here I am leaving some space. Its meaning is this print is in the body of this if. Okay, now according to if control statement, when this inner statement will be executed, this inner statement will be executed only if this condition is true. Okay, and now for this program we know that n1 10 and n2 20 means this condition is true. So if this condition is true, it will just execute this statement and control will come outside of this if. Means control will come here and it will just print this statement as well. Okay, now let me show you output. See here, we are getting both statement. N1 is smaller than N2 and N2, N1 and N2 are numbers. So both statement we are getting. Okay. Now see, what will happen if this condition is false? Now if I assign value for N1 as suppose 40. Now if this is the case, then this condition is false because 40 is not less than 20. So if this condition is false, then this statement will not be executed. Directly control will come here outside this if. And what we have written outside if? We have just written both n1 and n2 are numbers. So if this is the case, if this condition is false, then this statement will not be executed. Directly you will get output of this print. Okay, so let me show you output. See here, we are getting output as n1 and n2 are number. Now it is not executing this print because this condition is false. Okay, so the point that I want to convey is, when the statement that we are writing in the body of if are executed only when whatever condition that you are writing in front of if that condition is true, only in that case the inner statement will be executed. Otherwise inner statement will be discarded and control will come outside the body of that if. Okay, so I hope you are getting this point. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. Thank you.